Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to talk about Revit dimensions and units. For units, you go to the Manage tab and then you click on Project Units. All global project units are in this location. For this project I'm using a metric template, so I have meters squared, I have millimeters, I have kilograms, and I have kilometers per hour. Any of these can be changed to any system and it would take effect across the whole project. Any dimension can be duplicated and converted to an alternate unit. So let's duplicate this and let's call this Imperial. And then we scroll down and then we can change the primary units in this location here. And we can use an alternate to the project settings that we just discussed. So if we untick that, you can change this to feet and fractional inches and hit OK. And then that will change that dimension to feet and fractional inches. We can also do a dimension string which shows the primary and the alternate dimensions. So let's make that. If we click on dimension and place that within our project, we can change the setting for that dimension. So let's go to edit type, duplicate, and let's call this both. We can scroll down in our settings and under alternate units, this is where we place the alternate unit in the dimension. So where it has none, we can select where the location will be. My preference will be for below, so let's select that. And then we can set the units again to feet and fractional inches, and we can press OK. So now we have three dimension types. We have the metric in millimeters, we have the imperial in feet and fractional inches, and we have the one which shows both. Now for any of these dimensions, they can be overwritten with a text value. So if we click on a dimension to select it and then click on the text itself, we can replace the text with a word, width TBC, and we can click OK. For a Revit hack, you can also change the dimension to any dimension you desire, and I'll show you how. If you click on the dimension itself again, and then you click on the value, when you go to replace the text, let's call this 1000. Revit will not let you replace a numerical value with another numerical value. So if you hit OK, this warning will tell you you can't enter a numeric value into that field. To get around that, you can right click, you can go to Insert Unicode Control Character, and you can select any of these characters to add to that dimension string. Let's go for the top one. So now this field is alphanumeric, meaning it's got text and numbers, and you can hit OK. That works with any dimension field. So let's call this one 2000. So I'm going to do the same again. 2000. I'm going to right click, I'm going to insert and just select the top one and then hit OK. And then I'm going to do the same again with this one. I'm going to make this 5000. I'm going to right click, insert Unicode character, and then hit OK. So that's the Revit hack of the day, and that concludes today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.